So it's a complete nightmare to install straps on these watches. It's the same thing with all these watches, either T900 or T800 or the Ultra versions or Pro Max or Max or regular ones. They're all terrible, but I found a solution to this problem. And the solution is a bar of soap, or maybe a candle as well, or a beeswax stick. Anyway, what you do basically is take your hard bar of soap, make sure it's not really wet, and simply rub these ends on here. So it looks like this. You can easily wash it off later then, and do the same for other ones as well. Okay, let's try to install it. Then of course also make sure you're installing them correctly. That little one goes on the top and the long one goes on the bottom. Also make sure this is facing like that. Otherwise you will have to do it over again. Okay, let's try the first one, and you adjust it like this in this angle. Don't try to put it like that or some another. You see, it's an angle. And let's try to install it. It's still not super easy, but yeah, you saw it took just maybe a second to install the strap. And I know a lot of people are struggling installing these straps, and they often even break the watch or the straps trying to install it. Such a nightmare. Okay, on to the next one. Again, make sure it's in the correct angle and press it inwards. And you do have to use quite a lot of force. And as you see, we install it. Then we can simply wipe off any soap remains and we are done. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!